Audio Jungle.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back on my channel Crypto Victoria. So guys, today I come with a very interesting awesome platform on my channel. So before starting their review of this awesome platform, I would request if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing videos notification guys. So guys, let's start the review now. Hey, welcome to Chill Sanchez on Sol guys. Here you can see on my screen there is very beautiful profile of Chill Sanchez, and guys here is I will give you each and everything explain about Chill Santa, how you have to buy, how you can join this awesome platform. So you have to don't skip any part of the video, and before starting their further review, I want to say that I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment, guys, and I am not responsible for your any profit or loss. So here is you can see till Santa on so guys here I will introduce firstly about Chill Santa. This is a meme token that's spreading holidays cheer all year long. And you have to save your crypto winters with meme magics, bags of opium, and we have to vibe cooler than the North Pole. So, what you are riding the market waves are just here through the lols. We are bringing festive fun to your profit flow at chill at a time. So think of us as your holidays escape from the market chores, complete with grinder, forward gain, and ultimate chill energy. Whether you're holding for the moon or just spreading the cheer, chill Santa has your back. So here is our tokenomics. This is our official contract address. When you're buying, you have to simply copy this. This is our official contract address. And guys, tax is 0%, LP completely burned. And how you have to buy? Here I will give you how you have to buy. You have to guys simply download Violet Phantom Violet, and after that you have to just put some soul in your Violet. So if you have no Violet, then you no soul, then you can buy directly from Phantom. So you have to simply send from another Violet and you can buy. So guys, so you have after downloading your Violet, you have to just go to on Jupiter, then you have to connect your Violet, and for then you have to paste this our official contract address, and in this easy way you can buy Chill Santa on your Violet. So you have to join the movement, spread the joy, and let's make crypto fun again. It's Christmas, guys, baby. So you have to hold tight and you have to join. As you know, Christmas is coming soon. So this is, guys, our Telegram community of Chill Center. Here you can see our members. You have to just bringing holidays here on Magic Meme. So you have to here join, and this is our Twitter community. You have to must join this as we are on Solana blockchain, guys, and this is fueled by milk and cookies. So we are here to pump joy. So you have to join here. And guys, why you have to join here? Because you get here all of the updates about Chill Santa on their official social media's account. So you have to here join and you have to must follow. You have to tweet there. You have to like and comment here, and you can read our updates news about Chill Santa here. So I hope you like my video. See you next video. Thanks for watching, guys.